Oh boy, over here doing 154 miles per hour on a motorcycle during the day. Orlando to Daytona in 20 minutes. What's going on, TRACKUZA team? Happy Friday. My time here today. It's almost midnight. And we're doing a review, guys. I haven't done a review in a long time. I just saw this one pop up on my feed. Wanted to watch it with you guys and review it. This one is from Channel 6 News Orlando. Did a little segment on a fellow YouTuber, Speed Demon, deleted his YouTube account because of the new speeder law, guys. Wow. Hey, when that law came out, I was getting a little worried too. I was like, damn, to get to 100, easy to get to 100, especially on 95 and all that stuff. Man, it's easy to get to 100. You can mess up and just be cruising, following traffic, bam, you're caught. Boom, you go to jail. Done. 30 days. Done. But I'm telling you what, guys. Me? Nope. I'm retired from that shit. I don't do any of that. I support FHP. I support Coral Springs Police Department, Broward County Sheriff's Department, and Miami-Dade. Those are my cops. Those are my police officers. They're here to protect and serve. They're doing an outstanding job so far. I've talked to some of them. They're super cool. I've gotten a lot of compliments from the police department in Broward. They were like, yo, man, I've been here for hours, and that's the baddest car I've ever seen, bro. I'm like, guys, thank you for your service. Thank you so much. But again, if you guys are watching, thank you for your service, guys. Please keep us safe. And catch the bad guys. I know that there's a mix between the street takeover group, and then you got the car enthusiast guys that don't do stupid stuff like that. If I can help in any way possible, I will do it. And if I see it happening, I tell all those knuckleheads to stop doing it. It's dangerous. We shouldn't do it. Street takeovers are bad. We are totally against street takeovers here at TRACKUZA. But that being said, guys, let's watch what's going on with this guy over here in this motorcycle. This guy, famous guy. So he deletes his YouTube channel because of the super speeder law. Wow, let's watch it, guys.
Last year, we told you about this YouTube channel that featured videos of motorcycles appearing to speed dangerously through the streets of Central Florida. Now, the operator of that YouTube channel says he'll no longer be posting videos of high-speed motorcycle rides.
Yeah.
His reason? Florida's new super speeder law.
Fuck around and find out.
This YouTube video, titled Orlando to Daytona in 20 minutes,
this is crazy, bro.
A motorcycle weaving through traffic on I-4 at high speeds. The speedometer can be seen hitting more than 150 miles per hour.
Damn.
Dozens of similar videos were once featured on this YouTube channel called Speed
during the day.
407.
There he is. I think his YouTube channel is already turned off. He's had 5,000 subscribers, a lot more than I have. A lot more videos than I have, he too. Speed Demon 407. Okay.
By Dallas Ashley.
What's up, YouTube?
Ashley happens to be the grandson of...
That's a Florida guy, guys. That's a Florida dude.
NASCAR's former CEO, Jim France, and the great-grandson of
he had to
NASCAR's
stop.
founder, Bill France Sr.
They probably told him to stop. They were like, hey, man, you gotta take this YouTube channel down. We're famous people here, man. You can't do that. You want some money? Here you go. That'd be pretty funny.
You gotta treat every car like it's a bullet with your name on it.
Bro. In the world of a street racer and somebody that would race and do whatever, those famous words can be put into a quote in the back of a t-shirt. Amazing. In a different dimension, this guy would be a legend. But here in Florida, no sir. You're considered a criminal. And this guy did get caught. I mean, I guess this guy didn't he didn't go to jail.
after I began reporting on the YouTube channel last year, the Florida Highway Patrol says it reviewed these videos, but ultimately did not pursue any criminal charges.
Got lucky.
Hello, I'm Dallas Ashley.
See,
At
respectful.
the time,
I like that.
Florida's super speeder law had not yet taken effect. But now, police can arrest anyone driving dangerously at more than 100 miles per hour.
Now, I've heard people getting caught and the cops just letting them go. I mean, if you're respectful, you give your ID, you have all your paperwork. I'm like, hey man, I was just, it's the middle of the night, no cars, whatever. It's pretty much at the cop's discretion if he thinks that you should go to jail or not. You know what I'm saying? If you're acting like a fool, if you're acting like a dumbass, if you drink, if you did drugs, whatever, yeah, you're going to jail, bro. And they're going to take your car. You know what I'm saying? Fuck around and find out. That's how it goes, right? That's the law, man. We're Americans. We got to follow the law. So anyways, that being said, let's continue.
Bought this thing to go 200, bro, and the felony just to go half that.
In this newly posted YouTube video, Ashley
Damn.
says the new law is taking a toll on him.
I feel like this is gonna be the last video on the channel. I just don't have the same passion, It's ever since the super speeder law, it's just a matter of time before my gets taken to fucking jail.
Before he shuts down the Speed Demon 407 YouTube channel, Ashley has this message.
I want to thank all of you guys for all the support that you gave me. Besides FHP and Channel 6 News, my life would have been a lot better had y'all two never gotten involved, but I'm accountable.
It is what it is. It's true.
Since the super speeder law took effect about a year ago, law enforcement has arrested thousands of drivers statewide. Check out this story on ClickOrlando.com to see how those criminal cases are now being resolved. Mike DeForest, News 6.
And there you have it, TRACKUZA team. Another super speeder, and this guy deleted his YouTube channel. Thanks to Channel 6 News Orlando for this video. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Give them a like if you guys want to follow. They're always posting stuff about super speeders, so that's why I always looking at the Orlando organizations. That's where most of the super speeders are at. We have some down here too as well. You know what I mean? But guys, few words before I go. We got to stop this street takeover stuff, guys. We got to stop it. It's slowing down. It is slowing down a little bit, but it's still around. In Chicago, New York, California, down here in Miami. Look, man, we all know that GTA 6 is about to come out, all right? We all know. And you guys been 13 years waiting. So you go out and take it out on the streets. You guys are giving all the people in the car community a bad name. Stop it. Stop it. Enjoy your car. Don't destroy it. Don't go stealing people's cars and then destroying it. You think it's cool? It's not, man. It really isn't. It's absolutely terrible. You guys gotta stop. We're gonna talk about that more later on. Guys, if you can, check out TRACKUZA.com, guys. We have R35 GTR parts. We have all sorts of stuff going to be posted up every week. We have a new blog post today. We're talking about the new merch store, which we're calling the TRACKUZA Speed Supply Company. Yes, the TRACKUZA Speed Supply Company. But guys, we're going to be selling seats, harnesses, belts, underglow kits, steering wheels, clothes, tools, garage stuff, safety equipment, fire extinguishers, anything I can think of, I'm going to put on the website, guys. We're going to have it up on the website very soon. Right now, we just have the TRACKUZA merch. Go pick yourself up one of these badass little trucker hats. Oh, it looks so fresh, guys. There's shirts, there's sweaters. We got more stuff coming out. TRACKUZA Speed Supply Company's coming out with their new vintage shirt. It's going to be pretty cool. Of course, talking about GTRs, most of the whole website's GTRs, guys. I'm one of the biggest GTR fanatics on the planet. If you guys don't know that yet, I am. I just started YouTube not too long ago, but imagine if I started 10, 15 years ago at Nerd Performance, my old shop. I'd be a millionaire by now, and I'd be having some of the craziest GTRs you'll ever see. But anyways, guys, we have a lot to talk about in the future. We're going to make some more videos, guys. I do apologize for not getting some more reviews out there for you guys, but I'm going to try to stay on it. If you guys have one that you guys want me to review, leave it down in the comments down below. Hit that subscribe, hit that like if you like this video, guys. And thank you. Go ahead and check out TRACKUZA.com for some apparel. And stay tuned. We got the blog post. We got all sorts of stuff happening, guys. The new video for the R34 GTR video is coming out this morning, actually, on Friday at 9 o'clock. The big videos are coming out at 9 o'clock. Reviews come out whenever. But and the games, we're going to be doing some games too. All right, guys, you guys have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.